Good morning, students. Welcome back to 10th class English. We have already gone through the prose festivals of North East India. We have also discussed some of the grammatical points given the text. Today we will begin with the same grammatical other points. So let's learn grammar. 1. Look at the underlined words in the following sentences. People clean and decorate their houses. The temple houses 14 deities. In the first sentence, house is used as a noun which is the object of the transitive verb. Transitive verb means Sakarmaka Kriya. So transitive verb is decorate. In the second sentence, house is used as a finite verb. So that is Samapika Kriya, finite verb. So I have told you that a verb has 6 forms. Of 2 are trenched or finite verbs. 8 finite forms and other 4 are non-finite forms like eat, ate, eaten, eating, to eat. So, eat, ate are finite verbs, eaten, eating, to eat are non-finite verbs. Oh, here some words are given. We have to use the words as a noun and as a verb. The first word is dance. Dance in a noun. I like Odissi dance. In a verb. Yesterday Sita danced very well. Next word is harvest. Harvest means amala. Noun. This year we are going to have a good harvest. Verb. Last year we harvested a good crop. Next, drive. Drive, noun. We went for a drive along the coast. Verb. I know how to drive a car. Next, what is climb? Yes, the climb down is harder than the climb up. गच्छ चढ़िबा अपेक्षा गच्छर ओल्लेइबा होछि कष्टकर. Verb. I can climb a coconut tree. ମୁଁ ନଡ଼ିଆ ଗଛ ଚଢ଼ି ପାରିବି. Next, spring. Spring is a season. It is one of the 6 seasons. Noun. Next, verb. So your riding or the monkey can spring upon the tree. Mankod is spring bhaliya gach upar dei paribo. Next word is dress. Yes, children put on new dresses on festive occasions. पर्वपर्वाणी पिलामाने नुआ नुआ पोशाक पिंधती. Verb. Dress. I shall dress myself in a new way, or we can say wait a minute, I am just dressing. Next word is name. India is the name of our country. Verb. I named my daughter Pooja. Next word is group. A group of people is shouting outside. दले लोक बाहर पार्टी कर. Verb. We can group animals into several types. आमी पशु मान विभिन्न प्रकार रे दल दल करि परिबा. Next word is mark. There are footmarks. There are footmarks of a cat. सेठारे बिलेईर पाद चिन्ह पड़ी verb yes mark what he is saying से कौन कहूँ लक्ष्य कर next word is help I don't need your help verb we should help the poor so these were about the words which can be used as a noun and verb next complete the sentence using appropriate preposition choosing from the box okay we shall do it just 1 minute yes that is so what are the prepositions to against of for on with these are the prepositions given India is consists of preposition is consists of of yes India is consists of 28 states and 9 union territories the movie is based that is on preposition right preposition is on okay just 1 minute we will move to the next page yes that the next page is like this 1 minute shall I add some sugar to your tea that is to your tea next one is this is the camel is the only means of transportation that is of in deserts safety rules prescribe precautions against fire against 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 right against fire next one is she is blessed with good health number 4 instead of 3 it is written 4 so the right preposition is she is blessed with WITH yes it's done next question number 3 perhaps you know what a phrasal verb is two word verb single word verb and there are more than one word verb what is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb that consists of a verb and a preposition or an adverb is called a phrasal verb. It acts as a verb in a sentence. It usually has a meaning that is different from that of the original verb in the phrase. Look at the use of the phrasal verbs and their meaning in the following sentence. What time did you get back last night? That means return. I shall get back to you. That means to speak, write to use to somebody again later in order to give a reply. Winter sets in and trees start to shed their leaves. Sets in means begins. Complete the following sentences using the phrasal verbs appropriately. So The phrase, this is like this, just 1 minute. Young men and women get in their best traditional attire. First one is, that is, get in. 1 minute. Get in. Get in. Right. Next, the festivals take place. T-A-K-E, take place. Yes. The festivals take place in the month of July. On the occasion people discard the old to bring in the new year. To bring in, B-R-I-N-G-I-N, bring in. Right. Next we will move. Yes. People offer thanks to gods to drive away evil spirit. To drive away. To drive. D-R-I-V-E. Drive away. Yes. To drive away evil spirits. These celebrations also help dash the natural talent of people. Yes. These help the festivals. These celebrations also help bring out. That is bring out. Bring out. Yes, there are some sentences are left here. This song, question number 5. These songs have been danced through many generations. These songs have been handed down. That is handed down. Handed down. Okay. Next, the celebrations of these festivals is an effective means of preserving and passing down. Passing, P-A-S-S-I-N-G, passing down, D-O-W-N, down. Okay. Next, men clad in full warrior costumes dash their hunting and warring skills. So this is a show up. That is show. S-H-O, show up. So these were about filling phrasal verbs. Now let's have the other grammatical points. Yes, question number 4. Look at the following sentences. Rongali Bihu is celebrated in mid-April. The crop have been harvested. The sentences are in their passive form, but the by phrase by plus agent or the doer of the action in each of them is missing. In some passive constructions, the by phrase is willfully dropped because the agent is either unknown or well understood or not disclosed by the speaker. Put the following sentences into the passive without by phrase. Yes, farmers grow Farmers grow grapes in Hyderabad. Here grow होची verb डाक आको आम कौन करिया पैसिव वॉइस करिया पैसिव वॉइस करिया माने मेन वर्ब टाको ईएन फॉर्म करिया ग्रो ग्रीव ग्रोन सो प्रथम इज ग्रोन GROWN ग्रोन एइथरे थिला कोन ग्रो रे डू थिला से बाहर के जागिर बी रे मिसी जीवो बी रे मिसी गले बी रे डू मिसले प्रेजेंट टेंस जो इज एमआर भीतर कोड आबो तबे देखिबा सब्जेक्ट की होची ग्रेप्स इन हैदराबाद अच्छा बहुवचन ये होचे एनुकरे आर सो वाक्यटी कि हम दि सेंटेंस विल बी फार्मर्स दि सेंटेंस विल ग्रेप्स आर ग्रोन इन हैदराबाद नेक्स्ट पोचर्स किल ए लॉट ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स एवरी ईयर सो वर्ब इज किल सिंपल प्रेजेंट सिमिलरली किल किल्ड 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 हो जीवो फर्स्ट यस किल्ड तापर कौन हम ए लॉट किल ए लॉट ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स बहुवचन है आर किल हो सो ऑब्जेक्टिव पलि आसो पोचेटा ड्रॉप हो ए लॉट ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स आर किल्ड एवरी ईयर नेक्स्ट वन इज पीपल मेक पेपर फ्रॉम पल्प सो verb मेक आपको करिया पड़ो मेक मेड 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 यस पेपर इज पेपर इज मेड फ्रॉम पल्प समवन ब्रोक दिस इज पास्ट सिंपल एटे डिड बाहर बी रे मिसी दियो इधर वाज हम वेर हम ब्रोक ब्रिक ब्रोक ब्रोकेन यस ब्रोकेन ब्रोकेन देखिवा लेट्स सी द विंडो वाज ब्रोकन यस वाज ब्रोकन द विंडो वाज ब्रोकन वी शुड रेस्पेक्ट द एल्डर्स यस मेन वर्ब इज रेस्पेक्ट आ भीतर किसी नाई एणुकर बी रे किसी लगे जस्ट बीटा लगी द एल्डर्स शुड बी रेस्पेक्टेड 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 द एल्डर्स शुड बी रेस्पेक्टेड समबडी स्टोल हेयर पर्स पास्ट सिंपल अच्छी सो वाज वेर आसो स्टील स्टोल स्टोलेन दिस वन इज स्टोलेन यस सो हेर पर्स वाज स्टोलेन नेक्स्ट द पुलिस हैव अरेस्टेड द मिसक्रिएंट अरेस्टेड इट्स थर्ड फॉर्म रे अच्छी ऑलरेडी ताको बाहर कर बी रे लगे देबा सो बी रे थर्ड पर बी ए लगी वाला बी नहीं गला नेक्स्ट अरेस्टेड so arrested the same so the miscreant has been arrested the miscreant is singular next my friend has eaten yes eaten is there eaten en बाहर करिया सिमि बी रे लगे बी नहीं जीवो बीन eaten नहीं गला next eaten up right eaten up all the grapes बहुवचन all the grapes have been eaten up next read yes it's done next read the following sentences and notice the underlined verbs the north east India comprising 8 states is a place of diverse culture blessed with the lush greenery and mighty river Brahmaputra the people just 1 minute the people of Assam have a lot to celebrate next they pray to God to guide yes they pray to God to guide souls to heaven these celebrations also help encourage cultural and artistic activities and bring out the natural talent of people the verbs underlined in the above sentence carry no tense and hence non-finite therefore the part of the sentence they occur in are non-finite clauses. The non-finite verbs form in the sentence are to infinite, to guide, bear infinite, encourage, bring out, ing form, so comprising and en form blessed. I have told you a verb has 6 forms, of them 2 are finites and finites means tensed verbs, kalajukta kriya, and others are non-finite tenseless verbs, kala vihina kriya. So, for example, eat, ate are tensed verb having tense, and eaten, eating, to eat are non-finite verbs having no tense because they are used in different tenses, in all tenses. So, underline the non-finite clause in the following sentence. So, we will do it. Just 1 minute. Yes. Underline the tense verb. The Northeast India comprising. Yes. The people is the Peppa is a wind instrument made of. Yes. The underlined word is made of. This is non-finite. Lying farther north in the mountain made up of buffalo. This yes. Next one is lying farther north in the mountain region of the Himalayas. This is the non-finite mountain Himalayas. Next, on this occasion, yes, on this occasion, people clean their homes and discard the old to bring in the new year. Next sentence, the village climb the nearest hilltops for they believe that this will help them rise to higher plane in the life. So, help them rise to help them rise to higher plane. The spring festival or Chapkar Kut is an important occasion mostly celebrated in Mizoram. So it is the one celebrated in Mizoram. Men and women of all ages wearing traditional dresses and headgears perform folk dance and sing traditional songs wearing traditional dresses and headgears. Wangala or the 100 Drum Festival is celebrated in November to mark the occasion. Yes, to mark the end of hard work. Now let's question number 6, that is read the following sentences. Peppa is a wind instrument made of buffalo horn. People use buffalo horn for making a peppa. We make an object, a thing using some material. आमे किछि जिनिस उपादान व्यवहार करी वस्तु तैयारी करछे. So now look at 2 more such examples. Books are made of paper. Paper is made from a pulp. So made of, made for. What is the difference between made of and made from? We will see. Next, yes, it is given. What is the basic difference between the expression made up and made from? As used in the above sentences, if an object good vastu consists of a material किछु उपादान गठित that has not been changed, जोटा कि परिवर्तन हो either physically or chemically in any significant way किसी गुरुत्वपूर्ण भाव रे during the process of making the object, we say made up. Paper remains paper in a book after manufacturing. void paper tiyari hochi, paper hoikira rahuchi, there is no change. But buffalo horn remains buffalo horn even after fastening it into a paper made up emphasizes inherent original material and qualities of the material used in making the object. किंतु मेड फ्रॉमटा सेतल व्यवहार कराब जेतल कि आम गोटे जिनिस तैयारी करुचे सी तार ओरिजिनल नेचर लॉस्ट करथिबा फिजिकली और केमिकली. If the material is significantly changed in the process of making or producing the object, we generally say made from. The inherent quality of the material is changed. तार माने जन्मगत धर्मटा से बदल देइछे. पेपर इज सोल्ड एंड पॉप इज लिक्विड. पेपरटा होची सॉलिड, सोल्ड नॉट सोल्ड, भूल कहले. पेपर इज सॉलिड कठिन पदार्थ एंड पॉप मंड जोड़े आम मंड कहे, पॉप इज लिक्विड तरल पदार्थ. यू कैनॉट रिवर्स इट, आपको तुम माने अदल बदल कर नहीं. मैच द थिंग्स अंडर ए विथ द मटेरियल्स अंडर बी, राइट द सीरियल नंबर इन ब्रैकेट. तो आम लिखा सीरियल नंबरटा कौन लिखा, सु सुटारे कौन लिखा ना, सो सु उडू उडू पाखे आम लिखा कौन, उडूटा लिखिदेवा 10th. So match the things A with the materials under B, write serial numbers in a bracket. So okay, so is 1, we will write where, so leather 1. Where is leather? Yes, just 1 minute. Leather 1. Okay, next blanket. Blanket is related to wool, made of wool. Yes. Next house. Yes, house is bricks. Yes, 3. Next ice. Ice 4. Yes, that is water. Next shirt. Shirt is what? Cotton. Right. 5. Next juice. Juice is what? Let's see. Fruit. Juice. Yes. Next bread. Bread from what? Flour. Right. Bread. Flour. FIVIA. Next statue. Statue how many? 8. 8 number 8. Bronze. Bronze. Yes. BIII. Yes, bronze. Next gate. Gate is iron. You know gate iron तैयारी थाउची. Gate iron. Yes. Next chair. चेयरटा कौटी ठिया होची वुड, तो चेयर. यस. नेक्स्ट चीज. चीज XI, व्हाट इज दैट? यस, मिल्क. इट इज मेड ऑफ मिल्क, मेड फ्रॉम मिल्क. नेक्स्ट जीन्स. जीन्स डेनिम. यस, दिस वन इज XYI. राइट. ओके. So it's done. That is the end of the exercise. Work of the text festivals of North India. We will have other prose and poetry in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.